Ready to build your own awesome website? First, let's set up your project by opening Dreamweaver. Then creating a new site by clicking on the site option, followed by new site. Give your website a name, and choose a folder on your computer where you would like the website files to be stored, which will be your website's home. This folder will contain everything for your website. Now, click Create and choose the basic HTML document type, then click Create again. You now have a blank canvas ready for building your website. Now, let's get to coding. You have 3 view options. Code helps you write code, which is like the secret language of the web. Split view shows both the code and the design side by side. Perfect for making changes. Design reveals on a website is going to look like. Play around with editing a title and add a basic header. Next, add your content like images, text, and videos. Dreamweaver's design view lets you drag and drop elements easily. Save your file and preview it in a web browser to see how your website has come to life. Congratulations, you have built your first website. Happy coding!